Hey there, my name is Cody with Walser Nissan Wayzata, and today I'll help you get set up with Apple CarPlay on your Nissan model. So let's start with plugging in our USB. Right here we're going to do the Apple CarPlay. You're going to take your charger, plug it in here, make sure that's plugged into the USB. You're going to see a prompt show up, which is going to allow you to choose whether you want it to be always plugged in or not always plugged in once you plug it in. We'll hit yes on there. We're going to hit allow, and as easy as that, we've got Apple CarPlay on the screen. So you can easily go through different options such as your navigation. They have Spotify options. You can also use Apple Music, Pandora. You can go through different phone options. You can also use your menu button to go back to the regular screen. And when you want to go back and toggle it, hit Apple CarPlay, and it brings you right back. Thank you for watching the video on Apple CarPlay today. If you have any additional questions, feel free to call or visit us at walsernissanwayzata.com.